In this video, I'm going to show you how Edward Jones managed accounts work and what they offer, what they cost, and whether they're actually worth it for your financial goals. So let's talk about what exactly is a managed account or unified managed account at Edward Jones. So a managed account means you hand over the day-to-day investment decisions to a professional advisor. So they'll design a portfolio for you, manage your assets, and adjust things based on your goals. So whether that's retirement, education, or long-term wealth building, with Edward Jones, you get a personal financial advisor, not an app or a robot. You can meet them in person, talk through life plans, and get tailored advice. So now let's talk about the cost. So the average cost for a personal financial advisor is about 1% to 1.5% annually, depending on your account size. This doesn't include fund expenses or possible transaction fees. Compared to a robo advisor or DIY platforms like Fidelity or Vanguard, it's on the pricier side, but you're paying for personalized guidance. So is it worth it? So if you're someone who prefers human interaction, values long-term strategy, and doesn't want to stress over rebalancing or market changes, Edward Jones can be a strong fit. But if you're more free, sensitive, or confident managing your own investment, the extra cost can eat into your returns over time. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.